So I just received this replacement Dyson brush from this brand for exchange for my honest opinion. And this one's supposed to have a LED light, and it's a different kind of brush. So let's open and see what's inside. So we have the brush here, and you can see it's different. It has this tube here, and this other side is fluffy. This is kind of more rigid. Now, if you compare that to the original brush, I have a Dyson V7 here. Looks like that. This is side by side how they're looking like. You can see it's kind of different. Let's see. Oh, pretty easy installation, I would say. Right, we're starting. So there's the light. So the idea is that this head brush should work better on floor than on a rug. Easier to see because of the light in dark places like under here. It's really useful to see the corners and under things that usually we don't see. Like here, for example, it's pretty dark, but when I start, I see all the hair, the cat's hair is here. So the cool thing about it is that you can easily take this out and replace this brush with other 3 types of different kinds of brushes that you can buy